All right, let's walk through what an inequality is and how to graph it. We've already talked about an inequality means that they are not equal, which means something like x is greater than 4, which is not x equals 4, because to graph that, that'd be super easy. You mark a 4, there's your answer. For an inequality, you need to have a graph, as we've talked about, and you talk about the boundary point. The boundary point means x is going to get really close to 4, but never quite get there. So we mark that with an open circle, and we say, let's be around 4. Then we fill in our graph here. We got to decide, is x greater than 4, x less than 4? So we test. So we're going to test the number to the left, 3. Is 3 greater than 4 by taking this equation down here? The answer is no. So that means all our answers need to go to the right. So our inequality, x is greater than 4, is marked by this graph. And today we're going to look at how do you solve equations or inequalities to get yourself to this point so that you can make this graph. Hopefully this helps. I'll see you in our next video.